Hi everyone, and welcome to the Adiona Living channel, where we share with you tips to help you live your happiest, healthiest, most productive life. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your spine in line, 10 tips and tricks for a healthy back. Stay tuned with me to the end of this video, where I'm going to be sharing with you a supplement that I just love. This supplement is going to make a real difference in your back and your joints. And I'll direct you to a blog post that I did on it, and you can read all about it. Tip number 1, lift using proper form. It's important when you're lifting to use your legs and not your back. Don't arch your back over. Keep your chest up and keep the load close to your body. And if it's too heavy, make sure that you ask someone for help. Don't try to be a hero. Number 2, exercise. A strong, healthy core is vital to support your spine. Performing core exercises such as plank, exercise ball crunches, or even cardiovascular exercises are going to strengthen your spine. Number 3, stay moving. On a related note to the previous one, it's important to move throughout the day, even if you work in a sitting office environment. Take regular breaks and consider even investing in a standing desk. Number 4, support your spine's natural curvature. You can do this by choosing an ergonomically correct office chair if you sit for a long time, or modifying the chair that you already have with supportive cushions, and by taking regular breaks, making sure that you're walking around, as we said in the last point. Number 5, pay attention to ergonomics. In addition to the previous point about supporting your spine's natural curvature while you're sitting, you also need to pay attention to what you're doing while you're traveling. That includes your commute if you have an especially long one. Be sure to support your lower back, including your lumbar and your neck. We do make a specially designed orthopedic cushion, but you can also use something like a donut pillow that will make your seat more supportive without putting any pressure on your tailbone. A lumbar cushion can be used to fit inside the curvature of your lower back, and of course you need to take care of your neck support, especially during long flights. I'll do a later video dedicated solely to checks that you can perform to make sure that you're getting proper ergonomic support. Number 6, maintain your weight. Weight gain can negatively affect your spinal health, and sometimes it's out of our control. For example, when you're pregnant, you're going to put on weight. And some women find pregnancy to be really hard on their back, and so if you're pregnant, you need to make sure that you follow the other tips in this video. But for the rest of us, maintaining a healthy diet and exercising is going to prevent putting an unnecessary burden on the spine. Number 7, watch your footwear. Wearing high-heeled shoes affects the alignment of your spine, but even some flat-soled shoes don't provide proper support. So wear comfortable, supportive shoes, and that's going to make a world of difference for your spine. Number 8, check your mattress. It's important to allow your spine to get the proper rest that it needs at night by choosing a supportive mattress. You should also check your pillow and make sure that it is designed properly for the way that you sleep, whether you're a side sleeper, a back sleeper. And if you are a side sleeper, then try to support your knees as well, either using a specially designed knee cushion or just rolling up a towel or putting a pillow between your knees. Number 9, stretch. And there are some great yoga moves that you can do to help stretch out your spine, such as the cat and the cow. We actually have a blog post with our top 10 favorite yoga moves for the back. You can also use resistance bands to give a bit of an added stretch by securing one end and allowing it to pull against your spine. Number 10, hydrate. You need to stay hydrated in order to maintain your joints' fluidity and soft tissue elasticity, so drink up. As I mentioned at the beginning, I recently did a blog post on a supplement that I've been taking for years, which is collagen. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it. It's a kind of a hot topic nowadays, everybody doing the bone broth thing. See my blog post to find out what this awesome little protein can do to help your bones and joints. If you experience back pain or you want to avoid back pain, this is going to be a game changer. All right, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week's video, which is going to be 10 one-minute exercises to help you stay healthy on the go. Let me know in the comments what you do to protect your back and to keep your back healthy. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to find out more of our tips. All right, have a great day. Thanks, bye.